Hello everybody, so I decided to go on a 3 days juice fast. I will just be taking juice for 3 days. So come with me as I take you through the process of how I made this juice. And yes, I will be attaching a list of all the fruits I used in making my juice. Let's go. For my juice, I will be making use of some pineapple, some celery, some cucumbers. I have some green kiwi, some lemons, I have grapes, I have my berries, and I have my beetroots, some red apples, oranges, green apples, and then ginger. Here I have it all chopped up, the lemons, kiwis, green apples, and the celery. I would start by placing my already washed juicer. Yes, I'll just arrange that and then we juice away. Okay, so you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on here, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like my posts, comment, and also share. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'd be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you also to my returning subscribers. You are most welcome to my page. I'll be making 3 different types of juice. One would be the green juice. This comprises of cucumbers, I have my green apples, I have my celery, I have my grapes, my green grapes, and I have some ginger and some lemons as well. I think I also have there's another one which will be comprising of some, let's just wait and see. When we get to that part, I will let you know what it comprises of. Okay, so here we have it. My green juice is ready, and I'm just going to be sharing that into bottles, and I will be leaving some in the fridge and I'll be leaving some in the freezer. Yes, remember it's a 3 days juice fast, so I wouldn't want to leave everything in the fridge so it still retains its freshness. And there you have it, our green juice is ready. Okay, for the second batch, I have some watermelon, grapes, ginger, lemon, and orange. For this, I have my red apples, I have my beetroots, and then I have some ginger and my red berries. Purple berries, well, I know you get the point. So we'll start off by juicing this, same process as the green juice, and then we'll be portioning it out in bottles. Okay, and there you have it. My second juice is ready. I forgot to mention that I also added pineapple in this. So pineapples, grapes, watermelon, ginger, lemon, and some oranges. Yes, I'm going to be portioning this into bottles, and I think I still had some leftovers. So like I said, I just left this in the freezer. I think you can call this, it's a citrusy kind of juice. So yes, so the green juice, the citrusy juice, if we can call it that, and then would be going in for our third batch of juice. So there you have it, sitting pretty on the counter. Right, for our third juice, we're making use of some beetroots, red apples, ginger of course, and then red berries. You know the process. We're going to keep juicing this until we've juiced everything, and then we'll portion out in bottles as well. And there you have it, our third juice is ready. So yes, portion it just like others and we are good to go. The video makes the process look so easy, but let me tell you, it wasn't easy. The process of juicing the whole fruit, because it's a lot of fruit, yes. So it took me about 2 hours or more to do this. Yeah, it wasn't an easy process, but hey, we're living healthy and we're trying to lose weight, so yeah. And there you have it, our juice is ready. The juicing process is complete. Would you be trying this out? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.